Hey guys, welcome to another video. After a brief hiatus, we're finally back. I'm joined by Rayan the Techwizard, as always, and we're doing something a little different. We're going to be unboxing the Lenovo 330S, which is supposed to be a budget gaming laptop or something. It has AMD Radeon in it, about $450, I guess. So yeah, we'll be unboxing this guy. Man, what were you saying about that logo up there?
It says, "Don't put a crack
The battery?
in there, otherwise it'll burn."
Oh yeah, well, you should always observe fire hazards. So you ready for unboxing this thing?
Yes.
Alright, let's get going. Alright, well, I guess you just pop it up from here.
Yeah, we just have to pop it up. Okay, now it's nice packaging.
Yeah, there's styrofoam packaging in there.
Whoa.
It's a little bit on the tight side.
Yeah, it's very heavy. It's very heavy to get out this. Let's throw it out the side.
Yeah, you can just toss that. Paperwork.
Paperwork.
And it comes with European style plug.
And it comes.
And a small charger. Really small. And that is the Lenovo 330S. Alright, let's just slide out of the plastic.
Yeah, this is just have to slide out.
Right. It's a little bit on the heavy side, but it's all aluminum. Wow, there's no logo. Just at the top, huh? You have to open it from here, this side. Yeah. There you go.
And we just throw this away.
And it's a 15-inch, 15.6
Whoa.
inch
It
display.
says it says RADEON.
Yeah, that's the Radeon. AMD Radeon? I don't know. But, wow. It's a really nice feeling keyboard. Right, I guess we'll just power it up and set it up and give it a look. Right, so there's no battery. We're gonna just let it charge and we're gonna set it up. But just for anyone who's wondering, this $450 budget gaming laptop has 1 terabyte. Yeah, it's a clicky file. Oh, it's nice feeling trackpad. It's a i5 A250U 1.6 gigahertz processor with 4 gigs of RAM, although you can get it with 8 gigs. And it has 1 terabyte hard drive with 16G Optane Intel memory, which is a really good option. And it's available in 2 colors, gray and gold, but we got the gray one. So yeah, we'll just get it charged up and set up. We'll be right back. Right, so one thing we really like about this laptop is that, first off, it flexes all the way flat down, so that's really cool. The other thing is, not a lot of bloatware, just the usual McAfee and all that, but you can easily get rid of that. Also, the travel on the keypad, very, very good. As you can see, after the McAfee was uninstalled, there's barely anything on this laptop, so it's a very nice and clean Windows 10 installation, which is pretty cool. So you're free to use up the 1 terabyte, whatever you want to. Ryan, you like the keyboard, right? You were saying you like the feel of it and the trackpad, which is kind of glassy, I guess.
Yeah, it's very glassy.
So we should probably give an overview of the laptop. By the way, it's not as thick, but it's, I would say, a good 2 inches thick, and it's an all aluminum body, so it feels really good to in the hands. It's about 2 kgs, so not one of the lightest laptops, but you can expect that from at least most gaming laptops. Also, so it's got its own proprietary charger, but it also has what was this port, Ryan?
It's a USB-C.
Yeah, it's a charging USB-C.
And headphone jack.
Which happens to be a hybrid, because you can use a microphone as well in this.
And
USB 3.0
and
HDMI.
HDMI.
Yeah. So the USB Type-C, it can charge and it also has data, so that's pretty cool. And on the other side, we've got a full-size SD card slot.
And USB
3. So there's 2 USB 3 slots. Not a lot, but you at least you have a USB-C data port. Back is pretty bare bones. Front is also just a flap. Speakers are at the bottom, right? So
here.
Both sides, that's the vent. And you can add RAM and you can add another slot into it, a hard drive, as they've given another SATA drive. So it is customizable at that point. The display is 1080p and it's got sort of slim bezels, but it's also not an IPS panel, it's a TN panel. So you can see where they cut some of the costs. But all in all, very good laptop. So far, the battery life is really good. It has quick charging. Strange, huh? And it's got a good, I'd say decent amount of battery life. You can go somewhere between 4 to 6 hours, 7 hours, depending on what you're doing. Don't expect that much if you're gaming. But yeah, its speakers are decent enough. They're loud enough. Not gonna blow you away, but not bad. And Ryan really loves the trackpad, which has Windows Precision drivers. And the keys. Oh god, the keyboards are nice and clicky. I like the soft touch. Good travel. Not so much that it feels like it's you're missing keystrokes, but good, decent travel. Also, it's a full-size keyboard, so that's really cool. So, yeah, Ryan, you really like the laptop, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, would you recommend this $450 Lenovo 330S?
Yes.
Yeah? Would you give it a thumbs up? 2 thumbs up. Oh wow, okay, so he really likes the laptop. If anybody has any questions, or please do comment and we'll try to answer anything. When it comes to gaming, if you guys want us to test out some games, we will. But this was pretty much just an unboxing, and
R for me.
R for Rayan. Right, see you guys in the next video.
And for Daddy, and R for me.